Hello there, Profit Pilot here. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 most bought and owned stocks on Trading 212. I'm certain some stocks on this list will surprise you. Coming in at number 10, we have Easyjet with a little more than 55,000 Trading 212 users owning the UK airline company. I did not expect to see this stock on the list, and I believe it's probably due to people either holding it from its pre-pandemic highs or people who bought it hoping for a recovery. A theme that a few other stocks on this list seem to follow. However, in the case of Easyjet, the stock currently seems to be recovering nicely, so congratulations to anyone who made a profit off that. Next up on the list, we have the British Petroleum Company, also known as BP, which is probably so high on this list for the same reason as Easyjet, as the stock also saw its valuation plummet throughout the pandemic and has yet to recover, with it still being down a whopping 32% on the 1-year chart. Moving on to the 8th most owned stock on Trading 212, we have GameStop, which I bet some of you may have even expected to be high on this list, with it being talked about everywhere last month and just last week experiencing another large appreciation. The next company on this list is another Wall Street Bets favorite, but also one owned by large institutions such as Cathie Wood's ARK Invest, this being Palantir. Personally, I'm on the fence with this company. Some think it's too risky, while others think the sector of big data which it operates in is going to see immense growth over the coming years, as well as Palantir's stock price. Above Palantir, we have a company nearly 100 years older, Rolls-Royce, which currently has a stock price just above £1, with it similarly to other companies on this list experiencing a massive decline in stock price due to the pandemic, with it being down more than 80% on the 1-year chart and people speculating on a recovery. At number 5, we have a company I didn't even know existed, and I'm sure some of you are in the same boat as me, the company being Healthier Choices Management, who offer a variety of products that are meant to help individuals live healthier lives, such as supplements, beauty products, and alternatives to tobacco products, so-called e-liquids. These tobacco alternatives are, from my understanding, the reasoning behind the immense interest in the stock, as Healthier Choices Management has an ongoing patent infringement lawsuit against Philip Morris, a global leader in tobacco and e-liquids, with people speculating that a favorable lawsuit result for Healthier Choices Management will see the stock price go up by a lot. From a pretty obscure company to a company everyone knows, the 4th most owned stock on Trading 212 is Amazon, and there really isn't much I can say about it, apart from it being one of those stocks which makes me glad Trading 212 offers fractional shares. Moving on to the top 3 most owned stocks on Trading 212. At number 3, with over 123,000 owners, we have one of my favorite stocks that I would have thought would take the number 1 spot, and that is Apple, the company that time and time again managed to bring out innovative products from the iPhone to AirPods, and based on recent rumors, soon an electric car. Electric cars are the right cue for the 2nd most owned stock on Trading 212, as it is the Chinese electric car manufacturer NIO that saw its stock price go from as low as $3 to as high as $60. So no surprise there that many investors want to flock in and also experience some massive gains. And the number 1 most owned stock on Trading 212 with over 190,000 owners is one, if not the most spoken about company in recent years, Tesla. That concludes the video. Leave a comment down below on how many of these 10 companies you own in your portfolio, and if any of these companies on the list surprised you. After you've done that, please subscribe and like the video, it helps my channel out. And for those of you looking to start your investing journey with a free stock, sign up to Trading 212 using my referral link in the video description, and we both get a free stock worth up to £100. As a final notice, please do your own research before investing into any of these companies mentioned in the video, as I'm not a financial advisor. With that being said, goodbye, good luck, until next time.